I'm Amber and welcome back to another video. Today I'm taking time out for a relaxing pamper session with the FabLab Wellness Kit. This is an ad for FabLab. So here's our wellness kit, which has 4 calming fragrances and a number of feel-good activities for positive energy and peaceful sleep. Awesome, so let's take a look inside. Now the first thing that hits you is the scent. It smells so good, and I don't know if you also noticed, but I was drawn to this positive message here: dream big, you are capable of amazing things. How nice. Now you'll also notice the phone holder, which is very handy for watching FabLab tutorials. Inside the kit, we get a sleep mask which comes with decorations. We also have these lava beads and accessories to make bracelets and a necklace. A 2-in-1 sleep spray and scent diffuser with spray attachment and reeds, some gloves, and of course, our 4 scents. Distress for boosting low mood and to help with sleep. Relax, which helps with exactly what it says, relaxing and calming emotions. Uplift to make you feel energized and lift up your mood. And unwind to help balance emotions and, just like distress, helps with sleep. We also get this really handy wellness booklet which comes with a variety of feel-good activities, and if we flip over here, we have the wellness kit instructions which tells us exactly what we need to do for each activity. I'm going to start with the lava bead jewelry. For this, I just need to pop on my gloves, pick a bead, and choose my scent. Just add 3 drops of scent to each bead and leave them to dry for 10 minutes. Next, place your bead in one of the jewelry cages before removing your gloves. Okay, let's add our rings and clasp to our necklace. Perfect. To join the bracelet together, pick up one end of the cord and loop the end over, under and around the second piece of cord to make a knot. Repeat this action with the second piece of cord by wrapping it around the first. Pop on your bracelet and pull on the knots away from each other to tighten. This is such a good idea. Right, let's move on to our sleep mask. Just place your decorations and peel and stick. Now this is an ideal activity to enjoy alone or with friends. It would be perfect for a sleepover. I mean, not only do we get multiple feel-good activities, it helps create a calming environment with positive energy. The perfect way to treat yourself. How cool is that? And if you want to switch it up and turn it into a pillow mist, just add your spray bottle lid. It's that easy. Now, as you know, this kit includes a wellness booklet for us to learn all about mindfulness and positivity, and includes further activities such as a journal and relaxing colouring page. So, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Check the description for more information about FabLab and make sure to subscribe. I'm going to continue with my relaxing pamper session and get started on my journal. So, I'll see you all later. Bye!